Hello and welcome back to 5-Minute Productivity. My name is Chris Gamir, and in this episode, I'm going to show you how to set up filters in Todoist. Filters enable you to bookmark specific queries in order to find tasks easily. You can then use these filters in order to build complete and more complex workflows in your Todoist system. Before we get into creating some filters, first let's take a look at what we have set up in our demo Todoist account. In the last few episodes, we looked at adding projects and a few labels. I went ahead and added a few more to each of those and filled out some tasks as well. So if we go ahead and look through the projects, I've added a project A and B nested under the work project. Just as a trick, if you click on the parent project one time, it will highlight everything below it. So we're seeing the main parent project work and the two child projects A and B. But if we click that again, we're only showing the parent project. And you can go ahead and look through the child projects as well. So that's a nice handy trick. So as you can see, in Project A, we moved our Call Bob about Project A into that project, and same with the email for Project B. In our personal account, we have the text that we need to send about the party. We have to call the dentist about a teeth cleaning, take out the trash, tweet about the upcoming Todoist redesign, which looks awesome, by the way. Then finally, we have a waiting task because we made an Amazon order and we're waiting for that to come in. In our someday maybe, we have, let's say, learn how to make sushi. We want to write a blog post about Todoist, and we want to plan for a Christmas vacation. Since this is still September, that's a little ways away, so that's why that is in our someday maybe list. Not that we have a ton of tasks right now, but you can see how these things fill up pretty quickly. And if we expand our labels, you can see that those are starting to fill up a little bit more. So we have a few iPhone tasks, we have some calls and texts and emails, and we have a waiting for. So let's collapse those back down. This is where filters come in. If we expand our filters, I've gotten rid of all of the Todoist predefined filters except for View All, and we'll go ahead and look at that. So this will view every single task in all of our projects and inbox and everything across the whole system that is still active, which means not checked off. If we look through here, we can see everything that we just went through in the other screens. It's a lot easier to look at it in the filters view compared to clicking through all of the different projects that we have. Just like with projects and labels, you can add a new filter at the plus on the right or on the bottom right here. Let's say we want to start off with a simple one and just being today. The query would just be today as well. In real life, you wouldn't really want to set up this query because it's going to be the same as your today view up here, but that will show the one task that we have due today. A different and probably more helpful filter would be similar to today, but let's make this our dashboard. First, we want to see anything that is possibly overdue, then today, and anything in our inbox that would need to be processed. So in order to do that, we just enter overdue, comma, today, comma, and then a hash and inbox. The hash is going to be for any named project, and Todoist actually handles the inbox as a project. So we can go ahead and save that. And as you can see, we don't have anything overdue yet, but that would show above here. Then we have our today view and in our inbox. So if we went to our inbox and say, edit YouTube video, then went back to our dashboard and see that is showing right here. One other thing that you can do is, as I said, projects are marked with a hash, and labels, just like you enter them, are marked with an @ sign. So let's add our waiting for tag. Now you can see that our package delivery waiting for task is here. So whenever that comes in, we can check that off right from our dashboard. As you can see, that's going to be a lot more helpful than just our plain today view. Todoist offers a huge amount of options that you can use for these queries and filters. If you wanted to know more, you can go down here to edit the filter, click this question mark. It'll open up this great article on how to use filters and gives you a ton of examples and what it does. Scrolling down, it'll give you some additional information on how to set those up, any edits that you may want to do. And then down towards the middle here, it'll give you many more options. So you can sort by due date, priority level, label, projects and subprojects, dates, keywords, and how to combine all of those together. So if you have a premium account and you want to expand more into filters, definitely check that out. As your Todoist account grows and you have many projects and possibly hundreds of tasks, filters will allow you to find these tasks more easily so that you can get them done. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions, and also let me know what you think about filters in Todoist. Click the thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day.